Hello dear students, welcome in another video lecture of our vertebrate structure and function paper. So in our previous lecture we just stopped at the point of this division gnathostomata. Today we will start from that only and we will learn about the superclasses included in division gnathostomata. So, this Gnathostomata division is divided into two superclasses. First is Pisces, another is Tetrapod. Now, you can just observe here what is meant by Pisces. So, what animals are included in Pisces? Those animals which bears fins. And fins किसके पास होते हैं? The animals which are aquatic in nature, or tetrapods are the animals included in the animals included in tetrapod category are the animals which bears limbs. Now so in Pisces not only fishes are included, so all the animals which bears fins for swimming purpose are included in Pisces category. And the tetrapod has a literal meaning of four-legged animals. But here not only four-legged animals are included in tetrapod category, the animals which bears limbs are included in tetrapod category. Now अभी fins क्या होते हैं, limbs क्या होते हैं? Fins सभी को पता है, फिशेस सभी ने ऑब्जर्व किए हैं. सो दे बियर सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ पेंडेजेस और वो लिम्स ही होते हैं एक टाइप के, लेकिन दे आर जस्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू फिन्स. दे आर स्ट्रक्चरली in the fin form because the animals or the Pisces are aquatic in nature. They swim in water and for swimming purpose they need fins. Now today we will talk about the two classes included in our superclass Pisces. So आज सिर्फ वही डिस्कस करेंगे. So let us proceed to the next slides. So first before proceeding, let's just observe there are two classes included in Pisces category. First is Chondrichthyes and another is Osteichthyes. So I'm gonna explain you what is Chondrichthyes or what is Osteichthyes. So basically Chondrichthyes is a category in which the fishes or aquatic animals are included which has a cartilaginous cartilaginous type of internal skeleton, or their skeletal system is cartilaginous type. अब कार्टिलेज क्या होता है ये क्वेश्चन होगा. सो व्हाट इज कार्टिलेज? कार्टिलेज इज अ स्ट्रक्चर विच इज usually thin and it is jointed structure. वो थिक नहीं होता है, टफ नहीं होता है. इट इज़ नॉट दैट टफ, not that tough how bones are. So this is not tough structure, and this is like plates of these are like plate having, or you can just imagine a sheet like structure. So cartilage is a sheet like structure which is not tough in nature. ऐसा कुछ sheet like structure होता है and it is plain and these are jointed structure. and जो cartilaginous fishes होते हैं they bear teeth but uh, their scales are not that tough, or their scales are soft. They bear soft scales on their body, and plus they lack operculum and swim bladder in them. So operculum is a structure which is present on gills, which covers the gills, and swim bladder is a structure which helps in adjusting buoyancy or of the outer scales. And I will show you the diagram. So the sharks and rays are included in our sharks and rays. All sharks and rays have cartilaginous type of skeletal system, so they are included in chondrichthyes category. So I will show you the structure. So here you can observe that this shark is having a cartilaginous structure. It is sheath like structure. It is not a particular bony structure. एक बोन कैसे होता है, रॉड लाइक होता है, but here you can observe these are jointed structures, cartilaginous in nature, and that's why the sharks and rays are included in chondrichthyes category. Now let us proceed to the next class, which is Osteichthyes class. So here you can observe the another class in this is Osteichthyes. अब Osteichthyes क्या होता है? Chondrichthyes में हमारा फिशेस इंक्लूड होते हैं जो बियर करते हैं skeletal system in the form of cartilaginous, but in Osteichthyes the animals are or fishes are included which bears the bony structure or bony cartilage, bony skeletal system. So all the fishes which bears bony structure of their skeletal system are included in class Osteichthyes, and they also bear operculum. अभी इनमें operculum present होगा which will protect their gills. There will be a outer covering which protects their gills, and they will have a swim bladder. So here we have completed the superclass Pisces completely. So we learned today about superclasses Pisces and tetrapods, in which we just learned in detail about the Pisces superclass, which includes two classes, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes में होते हैं cartilaginous skeletal system वाली fishes, और Osteichthyes में होते हैं bony skeletal system वाली fishes. So all the other remaining fishes like Indian major carps or European major carps are included in our Osteichthyes category because they bear bony skeletal system. That's why these fishes are included in our Osteichthyes category. So here I'll stop my lecture. Thank you all for listening. Have a good